Why is it dying on me? I don't know. It's not getting gas. I guess it's not getting gas. It's the second time I've filled up the thing. I just cleaned the carb. This is what I was doing to get it to run so good. Here we go. That's where the timing needs to be set at. I'm gonna adjust the airflow a little bit. Need some more gas. Give it another shot. That's a dead battery, but I'm still getting no fuel. I just rebuilt the carburetor, brand new fuel filter, so I know the carb is good. As you can see, I just, got the timing and the airflow setting and the idle pretty much right, so it'll stay idling. It's pretty much just down to, I don't think it's getting enough fuel, and that's either these things are sticking, which I changed them, or the fuel tank has a pinch in the line, but I don't think it affects anything too much. It's up there, but there's a pinch think if I go behind this other tire, you might be able to see. There's a up there, that fuel line is pinched. There's like a 90-degree angle that goes up to. I don't know if you can see up there. Yeah, that's the fuel line right there. That thing. And it's, well, maybe that's the brake line. I can't see because I can't crawl under there. It's a really, there ain't much space to get under there, but it's not getting enough fuel. It runs just fine on the bottle gas is the same gas that's in the tank. And as you can see, it's not like dirty or varnished or anything. That's pretty clean. It just doesn't want to stay running. If you guys do know, let me know what this little line on the back of the carburetor does. If this is just a fuel return or if this is some kind of vacuum. It's been unplugged until today. I just kind of plugged it off. I don't know what it does exactly. Let me know if I should be using this for anything. It's like a vent, like kind of like one of these. Another thing is this breather hose that I have. It gets sucked in flat completely. And that's just because I have the wrong thickness hose, I think. I think if I put a fuel line on here instead, it wouldn't crunch up. But this pulls so much vacuum that it pinches closed almost pretty much. Let me know if this is my problem. It seems I have everything correctly set. It just it's acting like it's not getting fuel. And I know my fuel pump is working. This was dry. And last time when I had the other fuel filter, my grandpa was helping. He said, yeah, it's pushing tons of fuel. So I don't think it's not I feel like it's getting fuel, but it's also, it's only running on the stuff that I put in there. And I just cleaned this. I just made sure the floats and the needles and everything were free and moving. So I'm not sure exactly why she keeps dying on me. I'm gonna give her one more shot here. Maybe close the choke. If it starts on fast idle, maybe. Give this another shot. Like I said, though, the battery's dead, so. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. If I want to keep going, I'm going to have to charge the battery up, and I'm pretty much done working for today, but I got the carb cleaned on it. No changes. So cleaning the carb didn't do anything. It's only, like I said, it's only running off the bottle. I just went through that carburetor with the carb kit. I just, set the timing kind of, by highest vacuum, and I set the airflow mixtures by highest vacuum. I have the, I set the idle. The only thing that could not be set right is the fast idle, which I've never touched. And then the idle, you saw I just set that to like 1100 RPM or, 1000, and it was idling just fine. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's because I don't have an air filter on there. But, maybe it is. I don't know. Let me know if you know what's going on. Maybe it's the choke. Maybe the choke isn't properly working. Maybe it needs to be choked longer because the engine isn't even... It's a little bit warm, but it's not like warm. It's just warm. And the choke's kind of... I don't know. I think I have that set right too. But let me know. Like I said, I'm not an expert. So if you ask me something specific, I may not know exactly. But I do know it's not getting fuel. I know that 100%. So, let me know if maybe there's something wrong with my carburetor. If I have a line not hooked up right. Or let me know what. And thank you. high.